Again, sorry. 7, then 6, then 2, then 5, and then 1. Again. You see it? Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you another kind of chordal voicings you can do on your 736 and to spice up your playing. So if you've not subscribed yet, make sure you do and click on the notification bell and let's get right to it. So 7, 3, 6, 2, or 2, 5. So that's instead of just, so you do 7, 3, 6. Then on the 5, you do that. Then you do this, 5, and then so 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, and then 4. So let's apply this in a song. Holy down, So 7, 3, 6 again. Let's go. So on the 7 we do. That's a B flat major 7 flat 5 sharp 5. So, and then here we have your, on the right hand you've got your your a tritone coupled by a F sharp major chord, and then we've got the F sharp major 7th, and then on the 2 we've got this movement. You see? On the 2, and then when going to the 4, you do these 6 movements, this major 6 movement. I can. And then 1, 1, 1, 1. one, one, and then four. I hope that helps. So let's do it again. Again. 7, 7, 6, 2, 5, 1, then 4. So I hope this helps. So 1 and then 1, 1. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and spice up your play.